It was known in the early morning through the whole town. The whole town that's Kino going to sell this pearl that day. It was known among. You know, known among the neighbors in the brass hoods, among the poor fishermen. It was known among all the Chinese grocery store owners. It was known in church. For the altar boys whisper about it. Word is correct in your mouth. The nuns, the beggar in the front of the church spoke of it, for they would be there to take out the first fruit as blacks and little boys. Knew what it was experiment, but most of the buyer knew about it. And when the day has come, the day of visits, our poor buyer is man sat alone with his little black velvet tray, and each man drew about with his finger tip and consider his part in the picture. And this paragraph is talking about the place that the keynote to go to sell the pearl. Okay, and after they found the pearl, find the place to sell the pearl, and it was known as Naibo Brass House. Among pearl, fishermen, it was known among Chinese cuisine. You know the grocery. You know the grocery. Yeah, you see the small place for selling some food that supply lifestyle routine every day. In the church for the altar boy whisper about it. Word man. They mean when someone get inside the church, okay, has many beggars. Has many beggars. Yes, mostly out of the beggar. You know the beggar? I mean the beggar like the poor people of poverty. Yes, they beg something or beg money from someone or from a customer. Yeah, yeah. Hay sông tiền là ngay. Và chỉ chúng ta nơi tam pre về here nơi tam rung đi thanh này chúng ta là biên là sông tiền này là vật này với thị trường này này. Produce fruit and it lacks a little boy, so many. The officer, the pearl buyer, and sometimes have a businessman. You know, a pearl buyer, yes. Businessman alone is light black. What is a little black wallet tray? What does it mean? Can you understand? Can you explain? Little black wallet tray. What does it mean, a wallet? Have you seen the breast or can say the breast or okay, your father in the church? What are they wearing? Sometimes the white and sometimes the black. So the wallet is focused on like something in the clothes and that cover the body, like the Christian, the church or the Christian in the church, press. Sometimes it's press.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Little velvet tray, right?
Yeah.
Velvet tray này kìa teacher.
You know the clothes for Christian.
Wait a second. Christian have different clothes, teacher?
Yes. Sometimes we have a head clothes, a mask, black or white, depends on the culture. Yeah, sometimes it makes us just keep eye outside, and sometimes no eye. Depends on the culture, or like ISIS or Iran, or you can say Arabic Saudi. Depends on even the Muslim. Yeah, some people cannot wear the mask, no head. Some people wear the normal clothes. Okay, depends on. But especially for the pearl buyer, is wearing the black velvet tray. Tray is we can say like something like a circle or rectangle. But if focus on this one, we can say like the heads. The head had a big tray, a velvet tray, and a mask, the face. Okay, from the church, I don't know well about the church because in Jesus Christ or Christian, we have about 320 sects of belief. You know, so very different from our Buddhism. Our Buddhism only two. Yes. Dhammayana Nikaya and we can say Theravada Buddhism. The Theravada Buddhism, only two, the two sectors, Theravada Buddhism and Dhammayana Nikaya, sector. វាមានតែពីរទេខ្មែរពុទ្ធនេះមានតែពីរធម្មយុត្តហើយនឹងមហាយានហ្នឹងឯងតែ Christian about 320 sects ចឹងមាន 300 ជាង 320 និកាយ Okay, so even the Christ, but the belief and the activity to respect is different. Yeah, I got from my friend because he is a Christian. More than 300 sects kind of belief. You know sect? Not sect. Sect is like sects. Sects. So for the Buddha, only two. Mahayana Buddhism and Hanaya Buddhism. Thammayut, Mahayan, Hanayan, Thammayut become Mahayan. Okay, now this paragraph has a focus on the trap of the buyer, because they know that the kingdom have a great pearl. So, and they go to the church to find the buyer or the businessman can buy his pearl. This is the point of the keynote and the meaning of this paragraph. And then next paragraph is focused on what? It was stopped as the pearl buyer. Okay, this way. Yeah. It was supposed that the pearl buyer were acting alone, bidding again. You know, again, this one, okay, again, against one another for the pearl fisherman brought in. Yeah, okay, you get this one. Yeah, you get this one. Okay, and one is has been sold, but this was a wasteful method for our fun in the assignment of the bidding. For the farmer to the great price and been paid, you know, been paid to the fishermen. This was extravagant and rare, and not to be countenanced. Now there was only one pearl buyer with many hands, and the men who sat in their offices and waited for Kino who was bright that would offer how high they would get, and was the method each one would use. Okay, this part we focus on we can say the bad thing, or we can say the bad idea of the buyer. How to catch, how to steal the great pearl from the fisherman or the Kino, because they know that the Kino have a great pearl already, and how bright is it? Because the great pearl is priceless. You know, priceless. Sorry, what is it? The priceless. Yes, the priceless. You know clear about the priceless? Yeah. That means the high price that we cannot give the price. Priceless, that means high price.